Today I will talk about how can you scan on your Meitu app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on me down here. When you just click here on me, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, so you just go down here, you keep going down, then just click here on scan. When you just click here on scan, then it's going to take you to this list, and you click here on using the app here. So then it's going to take you to scan on your Michi app here in this list. So that's all you have to do here to scan. I wish now you are great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.